friends, come open the August Meowbox with us. This is our favorite part of the month. Meowbox is a monthly subscription that you can sign up for that delivers a box full of treats and toys for your kitties directly to your door. Not only is Meowbox a woman-owned business, each monthly box comes with its own theme. This month's theme was Meow Mia. You can never go wrong with a good pun. My kitties love receiving their Meowbox every month, and I feel like the best cat mom ever. If you want a Meowbox for your kitties, just use the code CATLADYTAILS10 at the link in my bio. Your kitties are sure to thank you.